Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to change the date and time on Windows 10. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Windows. And now over here you can see this is my current date and time when I am recording. Now I want to change this time and date. For that, first of all, I'll go to this start and over here search for date and time. And on the top you'll find this change the date and time. Just click on this and after that you land over here. Now to change this date and time, first of all disable this both over here. First of all disable this set time automatically and also set time zone automatically. Now click on this change and after that we can change the date and time from here. Now I'll go with this 2025, 9 and February month. And also I'll change this time from here, 4:55 p.m. Now you can see this is my current time over here. Then if I click on this change, you can see this time is changed now. So in this way we can change date and time in Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.